In this video also we are continuing with the circles. So this is the figure which is given to us. In this figure, BAD is 70 degrees, right? So that means this angle is 70. Angle ABD, that means this angle is 50. And angle ADC, that means this entire angle is 80. He wants us to calculate BDC. Where is BDC? This angle. So let's name this angle as X. BCD, that means this angle, let it be Y. And then BCA. So then BCA, that means we have to join this. That means he wants us to calculate this angle, BCA, right? Okay, let's see how we will do it. Now, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, fine. So we can calculate Y directly. How? 70 plus Y is 180, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. So we got Y as 110, right? So Y is there. Now, once you look at this triangle ABD, this is 70, this is 50, you can calculate this angle. How? 70 plus 50 is 120, 180 minus 120 is 60. So you got this angle, 60. But this entire angle is 80. So 80 minus 60, that means you are getting X as 20, right? Now you have found X, you have found Y, you need to find this angle. Let's call this angle as Z. How do we find this angle Z? Look at this arc AB. This is subtending this angle at the circumference as well as this angle at the circumference. That means this angle. So angle ACB or BCA is equal to BDA is equal to 60. So you have found angle Z also 60. What is the reason? Angles subtended by the same arc at the circumference are same, equal, right? Okay, let's write it now. So we will write ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Why? We know because all the endpoints lie on the circumference. Therefore, angle A plus angle, which is that? BCD is equal to 180. You know the reason. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. This is done. So you can write, we have named this BCD as Y. So you can, your angle A is 70 plus angle BCD equal to 180. So your angle BCD is equal to 180 minus 70. So angle BCD we got as 110, right? This part we have done. This angle we have found. Now we will take triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, 70 plus 50 plus angle BAD is equal to 180. Triangle sum property. So angle BAD is equal to 180. 70 plus 50 is 120. So we will shift it here. So we got angle BAD as 60 degrees. We got this angle as 60 degrees, which is our X. Sorry, this angle we got 60 degree. Now we have to calculate X. What is our X? BDC, right? Therefore, you can say that angle BDC is equal to 80 minus 60. That is this angle, which is our X, right? So, which is equal to 20. So, you have calculated angle BDC as 20. So, this is also done. Now, BCA. BCA, which we have already joined. This is equal to this angle. So we can say that arc AB subtends angle ACB and angle BDA at the circumference. Therefore, angle BCA is equal to angle BDA. So we already know that angle BDA is 60. We have calculated that, right? Here it is BDA. Here also it is BDA. So it is BDA. Right? So BDA we have calculated 60. Therefore, angle BCA is also 60. Angles subtended by the same arc at the circumference are equal. Fine? Okay. Now, here in this question, again the figure is given to us. He's saying that O is the center of the circle. QR, this length QR is equal to OP. Okay. ORP is 20. ORP, that means this angle is 20. ORP is ORQ also. I mean, it's the same angle. Find the value of X. You have to find the value of this angle X. Now, how will we use what is given? See, OP and OQ are same because they are radii of the same circle. If OP is equal to QR, that means OQ is also equal to QR. That means if we consider this triangle OQR, QR is equal to QO, right? We have proved that here. Then if this angle is 20, you will get this angle as also 20. Why? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. You got these two angles. Now in this triangle, you will find this angle. How? 20 plus 20 plus this angle equal to 180. So let's name this angle as X. So this will become 140. So if this is 140, then this angle will become 40. Right? So if this is 40, in this triangle, OQ equal to OP, then this angle will also be equal to this angle. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So once you have found this angle, you can calculate this angle. Triangle sum property. So this becomes 40 plus 40 is 80. So this becomes 100. Now this entire angle is 180. You have 100 plus 20 is 120 plus X is 180. So 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. Clear? Okay, let's now proceed to write. So what we will write is that OP is equal to QR, right? This is given. But you can write OP is also equal to OQ. Why? Because it is radii of the same circle. Therefore, if you compare these two, you can say that QR is equal to OQ. QR is equal to OQ. So now in triangle QOR, angle QOR is equal to angle QRO is equal to 20 degree. Reason? Equal sides have equal angles opposite to them. Therefore, in this triangle, 20 plus 20 plus this angle we have named X equal to 180. right? So x equal to 180 minus 40 is equal to, this is 20 plus 20, 40. So this angle is 140. Fine. Now again you can write that angle OQP, that is this angle, plus x equal to 180. Reason, supplementary angles. X you have found 140. So angle OQP plus 140 equal to 180, which gives you your angle OQP equal to 180 minus 140, which is equal to 40. You got this angle as 40. Now again, if you take which triangle? In triangle POQ, OP equal to OQ. Why? Radii of the same circle. You can write that reason here. Therefore, angle OPQ is equal to OQP equal to 40. Right? So then what you can do is you can find the value of angle POQ. So 40 plus angle POQ equals to 180, triangle sum property. So your angle POQ equal to 180 minus 80. So you got angle POQ as 100. So this angle you got 100. Now x plus 100 plus this 20 equals 180. Reason, they are supplementary angles. So x plus 120 equal to 180. So x equals to 180 minus 120. So your x is equal to 60 degrees. Done. So what we have done is we have taken this triangle POQ. In this triangle 40 plus this angle POQ equal to 180. We calculated angle POQ as 100. Then we took this entire thing, x plus 100 plus this angle 20, x plus 100 plus 20 equal to 180. Why? Because this is 180. Entire angle is supplementary. All these angles are supplementary. So 100 plus 20 is 120, x plus 120, 180. So we got x as 60.